tacos. Wow. Smells good. Graham something.
Love isn't the best place to find. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come coming now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. When we came, we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date.
Hey mga loves, nandito kami sa Keepsakes. Napaka-cute ng kanilang mga decorations galore. Mamaya titikman natin ng pagkain. Let's see, masarap yung pagkain nila. For some reason, naging ganito si Facebook. Nag-block siya. Usual dates. And among motto is, eat, pray, and love. Mga ginatong motto, Tiling. Charot. No. Hi. Tacos. Wow. Smells good? Smell it. Oh.
This was bad.
It smells bad ka dyan.
I don't want it.
Take it down. But yeah. Cheese. Yeah.
That's cheese.
Taste it. It's cheesy.
I will use my hand.
Try the tacos. Order ni Ate Darling sa mga yun lang. Oh, so cheesy. Parang sa perch.
I love the
Sarap. Oh.
Pero mga yun nga sabi, kanin tissue.
Sarap. So I will try the ano. So, ganito yung ham and cheese. The regular ham and cheese.
Grilled.
Dami. At may tiglo na kung with bread, no? You like it? Yeah. And this is their seafood pasta. So let's try the seafood pasta. Nilagay seafood ay.
Ha? Seafood?
Mushroom and anchovies. Ano ay seafood gamay? Hindi na ako bet. Ano naman? No? Murag pait-pait. Ano ko bet? At napapalo. Di ba nila din eh? Murag pait-pait.
Oh, sa olive.
Oh. And this is the chicken. I want to try the chicken. Normal chicken wings. Kaya. Correct feeling? Graham something? Mango. Mango graham. So, let's taste the mango graham chervalo. Mamiago. Like it?
Smell it, smell it.
Yan na. Wala ako tilawan. First time ko na pag-habag kiss. Na, lusot. Tilawan ka. Wait ah. Tabang. Pero okay na, normal. Okay lang. Okay, so we are finished mga love. So verdict is I don't like the seafood pasta na na-recommend ng cashier. Yeah, I don't like it. Kasi, hello daw. Kasi it tastes like pesto. So, dapat seafood, but it tastes like pesto. Then, this one right here, yung ham and cheese, grilled ham and cheese sandwich, normal lang. Ang kanilang, ito yung naiwan sa, ito yung lalagyan nila. Ito yung naiwan sa chicken, buffalo wings. Ayoko lang, masarap naman siya, ayoko pa and everything. Ayoko lang is yung kanyang coating is para siyang sunog na taste. Although hindi siya sunog sa surface, but sunog yung kanyang lasa. Masarap yung breaded pork chop nila, so yun lang naiwan. Yan. Ito masarap din to, ang taco, so yan na naiwan. Ito, I really don't like this.
Okay. May aftertaste.
Ano siya nga pait. This one ay hindi siya hindi siya matamis. But okay na din siya. May say naman siya. Yun lang. So, Ate Ling, what can you say? You don't like this too?
Pait.
Pait, no? Nachos.
Tapos na, no? Hard.
Daming cheese kanina.
I like this. Hindi masyadong sweet.
So, normal lang. Hello. And then, we like the place. Kasi maganda yung ambience. Marami magandang design.
Hindi masyadong mahal.
Tama lang yung price. Sakto lang. Kasi sa MTS, Matina Town Square. Harap ng Ateneo. Keep safe. So, we're going to check all the makeup here. Wala, may makeup tiling. Walang makeup, guys. Mga loves. Walang